Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that affects all of us, whether you're scrolling through social media, shopping online, or even just sending an email, and that's cybersecurity. But what exactly is cybersecurity? In simple terms, it's the practice of protecting your devices, data, and online accounts from hackers, viruses, and all sorts of digital threats. Think of it like a security guard for your digital life, keeping your personal information safe, your bank accounts secure, and making sure your private conversations stay private. In this video, I'll show you real-world examples of cyber attacks, why they happen, and most importantly, how you can stay safe online. So stick around, because this could save you from becoming the next victim of cybercrime. Here is the clear explanation. Cyber relates to computers, networks, and digital technology. Security means protection and defense. So, cybersecurity equals protecting digital systems and data from threats. It involves prevention, stopping hackers, malware, or phishing attempts. Detection, identifying when something suspicious happens. Response, acting quickly to minimize damage if an attack occurs. Real-world examples, banking apps, and online payments. Cybersecurity ensures your money and personal data are safe when you use mobile banking or PayPal. Example, two-factor authentication, OTP sent to your phone, to confirm logins. Email and social media accounts. Hackers often try to steal passwords to access emails or social media. Example, phishing emails that look like they're from Facebook or Gmail, tricking you into clicking fake links. Hospitals and healthcare systems. Cybersecurity protects sensitive medical records from being stolen or altered. Example, ransomware attacks on hospitals that lock systems until money is paid. Online shopping cybersecurity prevents hackers from stealing your credit card details when you shop online. Example, secure websites using HTTPS encrypt your payment info. National security and governments' countries use cybersecurity to protect defense systems, power grids, and communication networks. Example, cyber attacks on government websites to spread fake news or steal data.
Types of cybersecurity attacks. 1. Phishing, tricking people to give away info. How it works: hackers send fake emails or messages that look real, e.g., from a bank or social media. Goal: steal login credentials, credit card numbers, or personal data. Example: you get an email that looks like it's from PayPal saying your account is locked. Click here to verify. The link takes you to a fake site that steals your password. 2. Malware, malicious software. How it works: a program secretly installed on your computer or phone that damages files, spies on you, or steals information. Goal: disrupt, control, or steal from systems. Examples: viruses, spread through infected files. Trojans, hidden inside normal apps or software. Spyware, secretly records keystrokes, like your passwords. 3. Ransomware, locking your files until you pay. How it works: hackers encrypt your files and demand money, ransom, to unlock them. Goal: extort money from individuals or organizations. Example: in 2017, the WannaCry ransomware attack hit hospitals worldwide, locking patient records until a ransom was paid in Bitcoin. For the denial of service, DOS/distributed DOS, DDoS. How it works: hackers flood a website or server with massive traffic until it crashes. Goal: make services unavailable, like shutting down a business or government site. Example: hackers overload an online shopping site on Black Friday, causing it to crash and lose sales. 5. Man-in-the-middle attack, MITM. How it works: a hacker secretly intercepts communication between two parties. Goal: steal data like passwords, credit card numbers, or messages. Example: on public Wi-Fi, like in a cafe, a hacker can listen in on your connection and capture your banking login details. 6. Password attacks. How it works: hackers try to crack passwords using brute force, trying every combination, or stolen databases. Goal: gain access to your accounts. Example: If your password is 123,456, very weak. Hackers can guess it in seconds. 7. SQL injection. How it works: hackers exploit weak database security in websites to steal or alter data. Goal: access customer info, credit cards, or company secrets. Example: an online store with poor coding lets hackers type malicious code into the search box and steal all customer data. Summary: cybersecurity attacks can steal information, phishing, spyware, password attacks, lock systems, ransomware, shut down services, DDoS, exploit weaknesses, SQL injection, MITM. That's why we need strong cybersecurity measures like firewalls, antivirus software, strong passwords, multi-factor authentication, and regular updates. Thanks for watching, and please make sure that you like, subscribe, and share this content.